Is it rolling?
Yeah, I can just crop it, don't worry about it.
Welcome to AP Workshops and what they're now calling Snox's Snippets. So today we're just going to go over a few things, but more importantly we're just going to explain what's going on with the website. We do put a lot of deals on here and they usually go up Friday night, so we're just going to explain what goes on, when to look out for it and what kind of deals we've got going on. So with the web deals, every weekend we put a little bargain on, knock a few quid off parts so you can just get them that little bit cheaper. So we're just going to go through with the website, how we get there and what to look out for as well. So if you're on the website, we've got shop by category, scroll it down and we've got, well, I'm going to get it right, we've got web exclusive deals. So these are deals that we put on the website just to order online, just so you can make it quicker, but also we need to just have a look on your mobile phone as well. 3 bars at the top, shop by category, and again, just get down there, web exclusive deals. Quite easy, keep your eye on that one. This is the web deals again, but all the items have got on them, you know, the combi deals, price reductions. These are in the main section of the category, in the correct categories, but this is where you want to be going every weekend. This is where the deals are at.
Wow, a yard sale!
So we've mentioned the deal section. We've mentioned these usually go on at the weekend. So just a quick heads up what's going on for this weekend's deal. We're going to do a little deal on the performance upgrade kit for the Gen 1 and Gen 2 bikes. So that'll include the all-important TTZ14S battery, the upgraded 150 amp solenoid and Johnny Walker's cable kits, which will come with an instruction sheet which will help you get these all fitted. So this will all be going live about 6 o'clock tonight. Keep an eye on it. Happy days indeed. Now before we go, another one of my, not tech tips, my top tips. So now and then people say, oh, I never got no stickers, never got no stickers. So all the parcels go out of a document enclosed. This is usually where you're going to find them more all-important stickers that give you that little bit extra brake horsepower. That's it from me today. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, you give us a call. You can email us at sales@apworkshops.co.uk. We've got the website, we've got the YouTube if you want some nice tech tips, tutorial videos to help you out, which you can like and subscribe at that. Have a nice weekend, take care, thanks for watching.